Gravitational force. So what is gravitational force? Gravitational force is a force of attraction between any two bodies in the universe. So you can see here there is a gravitational force between sun and the earth. Now let's assume there are two bodies. This is body 1 having mass m1 and this is another body having mass m2. Small r is the distance between these two bodies. The gravitational force is inversely proportional to the square of distance between the two bodies. What is written? Gravitational force is inversely proportional to the square of distance between two bodies. So what is distance between two bodies? The distance between two bodies is r. What it says? The square of distance. And gravitational force is inversely proportional. The meaning of inversely proportional is, what is this? This is a proportionality sign. Inversely, whenever we say it is inversely proportional, we take this quantity in the denominator. The meaning of this is, whenever one quantity is inversely proportional to another quantity, when one increases, this will decrease. Or when r decrease, that means when distance between two bodies decrease, then force will increase. This is meaning of inversely proportional. In inversely proportional, when one quantity reduces, the another will increase, and when one increases, the other decreases. And we always take it into denominator. So it is written gravitational force, this is gravitational force F, is inversely proportional to the square of distance. R is distance between two bodies, and it is directly proportional to the product of masses of two bodies. What is mass of one body? It is m1. The mass of other body is m2, and product of m1 and m2 is m1 m2. And here force is directly proportional. Now since it is directly proportional, it is not in denominator but it is in numerator. Again, this is proportionality sign, and whenever one quantity and another quantity is directly proportional, that means if this increase, the force will also increase. Or if mass decrease, then force will also decrease. So what is difference between inversely proportional and directly proportional? In inversely proportional, if one quantity decreases, other increases, and in directly proportional, if this increase, the other quantity will also increase. Now if we want to combine this equation, it becomes F is proportional to m1 into m2, that is product of mass of two bodies in the numerator because it is directly proportional, and r square in the denominator because it is inversely proportional. Now let's say that we want to replace this proportionality sign by equal to sign. So whenever we want to replace this proportionality sign by equal to sign, here we have to take one proportionality constant, and this proportionality constant is nothing but g, and here g is gravitational constant. The remaining things are same. You can see same m1 m2 and r square in the denominator. So when we replace this proportionality sign by equal to sign, what we did, we have added one quantity, and that is known as proportionality constant. And here in case of gravitational force, it is gravitational constant. The value of gravitational constant is g equal to 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. Thank you.